by George. Yeah, I think he's holed up somewhere.
I want you to nail this team.
What's their speciality?
They rob banks.
Looks like we've been wrong-footed. Their saloons rammed George's vehicle. The Merc stopped here. His four geezers got out of it. Then the shooters were out.
I've never seen so many dead people. He drove straight into my sergeant's motor.
It was murder.
Suicide. Anyone who did what he did was past caring.
What do you want? Your keys.
The last time we met, you posted my key down a very funny place.
Come on, China. Hand it over.
Nobody told me he was armed and dangerous.